Today, I asked ChatGPT to tell me how to use the chest machine. Let's see if this is a must or bust.
Let's get started.
Always begin by taking a picture of the machine, telling it you need a workout and a technique. It already has my age and weight and what I'm trying to accomplish in ChatGPT. It tells you how to sit and adjust the seat, all important things. It gives you technique here. It tells you to not lock your elbows, for example. It tells you the length to press, the length to let it return, as this tells you where growth happens. And then I love the warm-up it gets you, loosens up your muscles. Then it gives you the 4 sets. And then it gives you an advanced technique right here as well to help you really grow. Gives you a rest period, 60 to 90 seconds. I just use my watch as I'm going and look at that too. Then it gives a finisher set on this one. I did that with this whole set that I was doing that day, and it was a really good burn and way to finish. It gives you common mistakes. Look at those. See if you're implementing those and remove those from your workout routine. And then it gives you a mindset at the very end. And that's so powerful for you. Plus it has a workout if you need that too. Get in there, get it, you got this.
So I hope this has helped you. Get ready to join me on this journey as must or bust goes to the gym, ChatGPT AI style. Let's go.